My name is Lee Gully, and I'll be teaching a blended human anatomy class. So that's what I begin with. I have a welcome announcement here that discusses the blended anatomy. I introduce myself within the welcome announcement and then give them some instructions as to where things are located. I have a faculty profile posted where I talk a little bit about myself, where my office is located, phone number, email, talk a little bit about my family, and there's a picture of me and my husband and our two children on a recent bike trip in Kansas. That's my faculty profile. I have a tab called Getting Started where I've given the students a list of what they need to do to begin. My syllabus tab, and a tab called How to Register for the Connect homework where I provide instructions in that document. And then my units located down below. So in Unit 1, this gives you a good outline of how I organize my materials. So for my course alignment, I begin with the Unit 1 student learning outcomes here. And if I open, just show you that document really quickly, you can see I've listed the outcomes by chapter. And then I have the PowerPoints. So my PowerPoint presentations, I've added audio lecture to. I've also, using this technology, have provided some drawings that I've done for the students on various topics, labeling items, etc. So I tell the students to approach the PowerPoints as if they were actually sitting in a classroom. So watch and listen to the PowerPoints and take notes over them. I've embedded the outcomes as well within, on the slides within the PowerPoints. So in addition to the PowerPoints, they have Unit 1 documents that are supporting documents that you can see there. So when you click on that, it'll take you to the documents. Helpful videos. So I have a whole bunch of videos that I've generated on YouTube that help with different concepts. So for example, this one is a YouTube video of me with one of our skulls from lab, and I go through the markings with them. Then I have practice materials, and the practice materials are kind of my active learning materials because I do provide items that they will label. And I've provided practice questions. So there are practice questions and labeling for anatomy. And then finally, I have Connect homework at the bottom. In terms of the assessments, they actually come to class and they take their exams in class. So there, I did it in under 3 minutes. Thank you.